In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a histogram from a frequency table. Here's a question from Chapter 2, Exercises, Section 2.3, Homework 2.28. What we're given here is two relative frequency distribution tables. They're down here. And these distributions were constructed from data in a report titled Undergraduate Students and Credit Cards in 2004. The first distribution, the first table, displays credit bureau data for a random sample of 1,413 college students, and the other one displays data from a survey collected by 132 of 1,260 college students who received it. So let's go ahead and show you how to make a histogram with JMP, a relative frequency histogram, out of this first table here. So first thing to do is open up the data table. That's exercise 2.28a. So here we've got our relative frequency distribution table in the data table, in the JMP data table. To get the histogram, just go on up here to where it says analyze, and then click on distribution. I'm going to go ahead and drag over the balance to the Y column, or you can double click. I'm going to grab and drag the relative frequency variable and drop that in where the frequency variable ought to go, and then just click OK. So there's my histogram. Maybe I want to change my title on my y-axis to say relative frequency. One way to do that is just right click on the title, and under the edit menu just left click on show properties. That'll bring up this window. Right over here in the text box, I can change the word count to relative frequency. And maybe I want to make this title go horizontal, so I'm going to right click on the title. Whoops. See if I can do that. Right click on this title. Okay, it doesn't want to help. The way to do that over using the properties table, just come over here and up here in the rotation, just check horizontal. So that ought to do it. If I want to display my relative frequencies on top of each one of the bars, that's fairly easy to do. Just need to come up here to this red triangle where it says balance and right click. And under histogram options, I'm going to check show percents.